Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today we'll be making high protein pancakes, which taste very close to the original pancake, and they're much lower in calories, higher in protein. One pancake gives you around 150 calories, 13 grams of protein, and 10 grams of carbohydrate. So let me show you how it's done. The first thing we're gonna do is grab a medium-sized bowl or a small bowl is fine. And we're gonna mix a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Just mix that together first. Now that we've mixed the dry ingredients, we're going to start with the wet ingredients. In a medium to large bowl, we're going to mix 3 large eggs that have been lightly whisked. One cup of low-fat cottage cheese. I know this doesn't look like cottage cheese. What I did is I put the cottage cheese in a blender and I blended it until it was smooth. I don't know, I didn't like the idea of chunks in my pancake, so I'm gonna give this a try and hopefully it'll come out nice at the end. So this is 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese. And 1/2 tablespoon of canola oil. Now we're going to mix this all together. In the meantime, I have a large skillet that's heating up over medium heat. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And we're going to mix until it's well incorporated. Like I said, this is preheated to medium heat. I have a little bit under medium heat because I want to make sure I don't burn the pancakes. This is a very large skillet and I'm going to spray some non-stick cooking spray in the bottom so they don't stick. This batch makes 4 pancakes. This is 1/2 cup, so I try to fill it almost all the way to the rim, but not quite. And we're gonna let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes or 3 to 4 minutes in each side. We know it's starting to get cooked when we see bubbles on the top. I'm gonna give it a flip since I see all the bubbles on the top. Whew, that part is always scary. And that doesn't matter. So we'll leave it for another 4 minutes on this side. Try to not, I don't know if you ever feel tempted about patting down the pancake or something like that. And it's good to just flip it once. That way it stays more fluffy. And there's the pancake. You can put whichever topping you prefer. I have vanilla yogurt, fresh strawberries, and some sugar-free syrup. I'm just gonna put all of them. If you've never tried yogurt on top of pancake, it actually is quite good. I thought the first time that it was weird, but I actually really loved it. And I remember when I ate it, we were eating with kids as well, and they also enjoyed it very much. It's like a sauce. And I'll throw the strawberries on top. And if you want even a little bit more sweetness or that traditional taste of the syrup, you can just sprinkle, well, drizzle a little, I was gonna say a little bit, but that's a whole lot, but of syrup. And that's it. Okay guys, so I think I got a little bit carried away when I put the syrup on top of the yogurt and the strawberries. I think that you can either decide to put the syrup on the pancake or just the yogurt with the strawberries. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.